Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today we will discuss typecasting in Python. Before I proceed further, please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that I get some motivation for these new videos. So let's discuss what is typecasting. So typecasting is a method which is used to convert one type of data into another type of data. For example, we can convert any type of data to integer or any type of data to floating, any type of data to string, any type of data to boolean. So there are two types of typecasting. There is implicit and explicit typecasting. Now, what is implicit? Implicit is the typecasting which is done by the interpreter automatically, and explicit typecasting is uh, which is done by passing the methods, by functions in the program. So these are some of the functions which are used for explicit typecasting. For example, int function. This is used to convert any value to a whole number. Float. This is used to convert any number to floating point number. Floating point means decimal number. Then string. It converts the value to the string type. And boolean to convert the value to boolean. Boolean means true and false. So let us first start with the implicit typecasting. Let us run this code. We'll go to here and we will run here. If you want, if you can go to the run, if you want to run without debugging, then press Ctrl plus F5. Otherwise, you can press F5 also. So let's go with Ctrl plus F5. Let's see what is the result here. So here it is giving 5.5 plus 4j. So how it is coming? We have a equal to 2.5, b equal to 3 plus 4j. So if we are adding a and b, so that becomes 2 plus 3, that is 2.5 plus 3, that is 5.5. 5.5 plus 4j, so that is why it is coming here. Now let's run another program and let's see what is the result of this. So guys, please comment in the comment section what you are thinking and what would be the result of this. So here we are storing 10 value in num, and in message we are storing this is the string, whatever in double quote is a string, the value of num is, and we are converting this num that it is of integer type to string, as this function is converting this number to string. So string plus a string, so it should give the value of num is 10. Let us see what is the result here. The value of num is 10, so we are good. Now we will see some examples of explicit typecasting. Let us run these one by one. Okay, let us run this program first. Remove this one. 1 second. Num. Now remove this extra spaces also. We can remove that. Now, guys, please think what would be the result, and you can comment in the comment section. Uh, Here we are storing num underscore float equal to 3.14, and num underscore int we are converting this value 3.14 to int. That means this dot 0.14 will be removed, so it becomes 3, and we are printing num underscore int whose value is 3. So let us see what is the result here. Run it. Here you can see the value is 3. So we are good with this. Now let's see another program. Here we have this one. Let us run this in the Visual Studio Code. Remove this spaces first of all, from this one also, and from this line also. Now let's see what would be the output of this program. We are storing num underscore int 10, and here we are converting it to float. Float means decimal value, so it becomes 10.0. This is explicit typecasting. We are converting it through the functions. So this becomes 10.0, storing it num underscore float, and we are printing num underscore float. So the output should be 10 underscore 0. Let us see what is the result. Yeah, here you can see 10.0. So we are good with this also. Now move on to another program. Here we have, let us see what is the result of this program. First remove the spaces from each line. So here we have value in num underscore int equal to 456, and in num underscore str we are converting this num underscore into string, so it becomes 456, and we're printing this num underscore str. So when we are converting this to string, so it remains 456 but in string format, and when we're printing it, prints 456. So let us see what is the result here. So here you can see this is 456. So I hope guys you are able to understand this, all the concepts, but if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I will read your comments and will answer on those comments, whatever your queries have. So also please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that I will get motivation and I will be motivated to bring more such new videos. Also guys, I will give the link of this whole program in the description so you can download this document from the description itself. Thank you.